We are going to prepare chicken breast. So sweet paprika. We need to go. Check and stir frequently. Wow, look at that. The breast is doing fine. We'll simmer it for a few more minutes and it will be ready. Wow, look at the breast. It's doing really good. We'll let it simmer for another 5 minutes and then we can then serve. Look at that, chicken breast. So we let it simmer again for a few minutes. Chicken breast is ready. Time to serve. Chicken breast is ready. Time to serve. Time to serve the chicken breast. There goes our chicken breast. We can serve with some gravy and some veg. We are going to serve with some carrot and stringless beans. So we have stringless beans there and carrots. Stringless beans and carrot. Wow, look at that dish. Stringless beans and carrot. Gravy there. We pour the gravy. Finally, we pour the gravy on our chicken breast and mix the veg, carrot and stringless beans. That's our chicken breast. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. It's soft and it's cooked and it's really delicious. This is a beautiful recipe. So nice. Really nice. So